Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva presentations in Zoom. First, open your Canva presentation and choose the presenter view option. This creates a separate window for your slides. Next, start your Zoom meeting and make sure your video is active. You will then navigate to the bottom of your Zoom window and click on the green Share Screen button. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth presentation experience. Once you click Share Screen in Zoom, a new window will appear showing all your open applications. Carefully select the specific Canva presenter window, not your entire desktop. If your presentation includes any audio or video, remember to check the Share Sound box located in the bottom left corner of the Sharing Selection window. Finally, click the blue Share button to start displaying your Canva slides to your audience. This ensures only your presentation is visible. With your Canva presentation now live, you can utilize the presenter view to see your upcoming slides and any speaker notes you've prepared. Your audience will only see the main slide. Use the navigation arrows within the Canva presenter window to move through your content seamlessly. Keep an eye on your Zoom participant list to gauge engagement and be ready for questions. This dual window approach gives you full control while presenting. When you are ready to conclude your presentation, simply locate the red Stop Share button, usually found at the top or bottom of your Zoom screen, and click it. This will end the screen sharing for your audience. After stopping the share, you can close your Canva presenter window. Then, transition back to engaging directly with your audience for a question and answer session or further discussion. This brings your presentation to a clear and professional close.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.